In this video, we will learn how to customize status bar with function. So let's start. So this is my Excel sheet and here I have a sum amount. So I select this amount and you can see on the status bar. So you can see here this is a status bar. The average of this amount, the 38.33. Count is 6. Minimum value of this values 10. The maximum value is 70 and sum amount is 230. Okay, this function on showing on the status bar. Suppose if you want to remove this average function, so you can it, and if you want to add any other function, you can add it on status bar. Okay, I just right click on here and you can see the customize status bar menu, and you can see here the selected function is average, count, then minimum, maximum and sum. Okay, if you don't want average, just deselect it. Okay, if you want numerical count, just select. If you remove the count function, you can it, and just you can see here the average function is removed, numerical count is added and other function is have. So this is a way you can customize your status bar with function. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe.